Okay, so today we are diving into food AI, this system that's promising to like help you launch your online food empire,
Okay.
right? Like build a platform
Right.
that rivals Uber Eats, Grubhub, all those guys,
Yeah.
powered by AI. Sounds pretty amazing,
It does sound amazing.
but also like maybe too good to be true.
Well, yeah, that's why we're here.
Right.
We're going to break it down.
Yeah.
We're going to look at the marketing and see, is this hype
Yeah.
or is this a real opportunity?
So they're making some pretty big claims right out of the gate.
Oh, yeah.
Like you can launch a website in minutes.
Yeah.
Your menus write themselves.
Right.
AI is going to bring you customers.
Uh-huh.
I'm a little...
I don't know.
It's a lot.
I'm intrigued, but also like,
Yeah. You got to be skeptical.
yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
So let's start with like the core of this, right?
Yes.
The website.
Yeah.
They're saying fully functional.
Right.
Mobile optimized. Minutes. No coding. Yeah. And drag and drop website builders have gotten really good.
Oh, yeah, for sure.
But a successful online food platform needs more than just a pretty website.
Right. It can't just look good.
Right.
It has to actually work.
Exactly. You need functionality. You need order management, payment processing,
Yeah.
delivery integration.
All that stuff.
A lot goes on behind the scenes.
Yeah, putting together a basic website.
Right.
That's one thing.
Yeah.
But making a seamless experience for the user,
Totally.
that's a whole nother.
No, that's the hard part.
Yeah, and then they're saying AI is going to help you with all of this.
Yeah. So that's where we got to look closer, like
Okay.
this smart menu management feature.
What is that?
So they're saying AI can optimize your menus for sales, handle multiple cuisines, basically make your menu a money-making machine.
Okay, but how much is AI doing?
But how much of this is real and how much of it is...
Marketing,
Yeah.
like smoke and mirrors.
Yeah. Is it AI wizardry or is it Clemmer marketing?
Yeah,
That's what we need to figure out.
Okay.
I mean, AI can definitely analyze data to tell you
Okay.
what to price things at,
Yeah.
maybe where to put things on the menu,
Uh-huh.
even recommend dishes that might be popular based on,
Yeah.
what people in your area are searching for.
Local trends.
But we need to know, like, how good are these algorithms?
Yeah.
Can they actually work for any business?
Right.
Or do they need to be fine-tuned for each specific?
Yeah, so it's not just plug and play.
I don't think so.
You can't just...
I think there's going to be some work involved.
We like AI, take the wheel.
Yeah.
You probably
but
go to
say,
the beach.
You probably still need someone who
Right.
knows what they're doing to, like,
Right.
make sure the recommendations actually make sense.
Yeah, you got to understand your market.
Yeah,
AI can't do that for you.
exactly. AI is a tool. It can't replace human expertise.
Okay, so we've got the website.
Yeah.
We've got the menu.
Yeah.
Now, how about the customers?
Yeah, what about the customers?
Right, because they're saying that like AI is going to bring you customers
Yeah.
automatically.
Automatically bring customers to your doorstep.
Yeah, that's where I'm like,
Yeah.
hold on a second.
That sounds a little...
That's not how this works.
Yeah.
You need a marketing strategy.
You need a good marketing strategy.
You need to like
You need to put in some effort.
hustle.
Yeah, you got to hustle.
Right.
Right.
Like I don't think AI can just magically do that.
AI can help,
Okay.
but it can't do everything.
Yeah, so it's not just a magic bullet.
No.
You still got to do the work.
Yeah, you still got to understand your audience.
Yeah.
Got to create content, engage with people.
It's a lot.
It's a lot of work.
Okay, so it seems like they're positioning this as like a,
Like a business in a box.
yeah, everything's done for you.
Yeah.
Just push a button and...
Push a button and money comes out.
Right.
But as we're digging into it,
Mm-hmm.
it seems like there's a lot more to the story.
There's more nuance here.
Yeah.
So we need to keep digging.
We need to look at the specifics of the features,
Yeah.
the business model,
Okay.
and most importantly,
How much it costs?
the costs.
Because all this convenience and automation
Yeah.
probably doesn't come cheap.
It's probably going to cost you.
Yeah. All right, so let's keep going.
Let's do it.
Let's dive into those features
That's right.
and see what's really going on here.
Okay. So one thing I noticed in the marketing materials,
Mm-hmm.
they're talking about like multi-language and multi-currency support.
Yeah, they're saying you can go global.
Yeah. Instantly go global with your food business.
Selling euros, yen,
Right.
all that.
Pesos.
Yeah.
But how easy is it really to go global?
Right. Because
I mean, automatic currency conversion
yeah,
sounds simple,
sure.
but international commerce
Uh-huh.
is complicated.
Yeah, you got payment processing fees,
Yeah.
different tax regulations.
Different laws in different countries.
Yeah. Consumer protection, all that stuff.
It's a mess.
And then there's the language barrier.
Oh, yeah.
Like, okay, you can translate your website,
Right. You can translate your menu.
Maybe.
But what about customer support?
Yeah, you could be entering emails in Japanese.
Right, exactly. Or working
Right.
on the phone, taking orders in Mandarin?
Yeah.
Probably not.
No.
So true globalization, it's more than just like flipping a switch. You
No.
got to understand different cultures,
Yeah.
different expectations.
Right. Different ways of doing business.
Yeah, so multi-language support sounds great.
Yeah, in theory.
But I wouldn't assume it's just plug and play.
Okay, so let's move on to
Okay.
another big thing they're talking about.
Yep.
SEO and social media
What
integration.
is it saying?
Built in.
It's built to get you noticed.
Get you to the top of Google.
Yeah.
Easy to connect with customers on Facebook, Instagram.
All the social platforms.
But isn't that something that, like, every business has to do anyway? Every online business.
Yeah, whether you're using Food AI or not.
Doesn't matter what platform you're on. You got to do SEO.
Yeah,
You got to do social media.
I got to do the work.
Yeah, they might give you some tools
Okay.
to help you, like, with keywords and scheduling posts.
Okay, so it's not just going to...
But it's not going to do it for you.
Yeah, you're not going to magically rank
Right.
#1 on Google.
You still got to know what you're doing.
And your Instagram's not going to go viral
Right. You still got to create good content.
overnight.
Yeah.
So we talked about the business in a box idea before.
Right.
They handle everything.
Everything.
Hosting, domain, customer support.
It's pretty tempting, right?
Yeah, no technical headaches.
No, you don't have to build anything.
But is there a downside to that?
Well, I mean,
To giving up all that control?
you are relying on them
Yeah.
for everything. So
Yeah.
you're kind of stuck with
Mhm.
their rules, their limitations, their prices.
So you're trading convenience for control.
Yeah, basically.
Okay. You get ease of use.
But you might lose flexibility
And ownership.
down the line.
Yeah, that's a trade-off.
Okay, so now let's get to the really juicy stuff.
Okay.
The AI features.
Yeah, the AI stuff.
They're talking about menu recommendations
Right.
based on past orders,
Uh-huh.
AI-driven marketing ideas,
Yeah.
automated chatbots.
You know, 24/7.
It's like you have a whole team of digital experts
It sounds amazing.
working for you.
Right. Like, who wouldn't want that?
But is it really that good?
That's the question.
Is the AI
Is it really that advanced?
that advanced, or is this hype?
Yeah, are we getting a little carried away here?
Yeah.
I mean, AI is powerful.
Okay.
It's come a long way,
Mm-hmm.
but it's still a tool. And like any tool, it has its limits.
So we need to be realistic
Right.
about what AI can do.
Don't believe the hype.
Just because it says AI-powered
Just because it says AI,
doesn't mean it's going to solve all your problems.
it's not magic.
And it's not going to make you rich overnight.
No, it's not a magic button.
Right.
AI can automate some things. It can
Ah.
give you insights. It can help you make decisions.
Yeah.
But it's not going to do everything for you.
You still got to do the work.
Yeah.
Okay, so now let's talk about this whole reselling thing.
Okay. The reselling websites.
Yeah, because they're saying you can build these websites
Yeah.
and then sell them
For a profit.
for like a lot of money.
Yeah. They're saying you can make thousands of dollars.
And they give you a reseller dashboard,
Right.
marketing materials.
It's like a whole nother business.
Yeah, it's like a business in a box.
Yeah.
But is that realistic?
Well, I mean, if you can create good websites
Okay.
that people actually want,
Mm-hmm.
there might be a market for that.
Okay.
But you got to think about the competition.
Right. If everyone using Food AI is also trying to sell websites,
Right.
it's going to be tough.
It's going to be a crowded market.
So it's not as easy as they make it sound.
No, you still got to put in the work.
You got to understand the market,
Yeah.
build good websites,
And you got to market them.
market them effectively
Yeah.
to the right people.
It's not passive income.
All right, so we've gone through a lot of features here.
We have.
What are your overall thoughts?
I mean, there are some interesting things about Food AI,
Good.
like the white label approach,
Uh-huh.
the data-driven insights,
Yeah.
the potential for growth.
Okay.
But there's also a lot of hype and some promises that I'm not sure about.
Yeah.
All this talk about speed and ease, the aggressive marketing,
Yeah.
the AI stuff that might not be as good as they say.
Yeah, it's a little
too good to be true.
Yeah, so the takeaway is
Don't believe the hype.
don't believe the hype.
Do your own research
Yeah.
and make sure Food AI actually fits with what you want to do
With your goals.
and your risk tolerance, because
Right.
the online food industry,
Yeah.
it's tough.
It's competitive.
It's competitive.
And it's constantly changing.
You got to be ready to work.
Okay, so speaking of things that might be tough,
Oh, yeah.
let's talk about the price.
The price tag.
Because they're saying
Yeah, they're really pushing this limited time offer.
limited time offer.
Yeah.
Okay, so they're saying they could charge thousands of dollars for this,
Right. Thousands.
but for a limited time.
Limited time only.
You can get it for
You can get it for just $16.
$16 one-time payment.
That's a huge discount.
It's a huge discount from the regular price.
Which is
$197 a month.
Wow.
So it seems like a pretty good deal.
It does seem like a good deal.
Yeah, classic marketing tactic.
Right, make it seem like...
Make it seem like it's super valuable.
Yeah.
And then give you a huge discount.
And then on top of that...
And then they throw in some bonuses.
Bonuses
to sweeten the deal.
AI logo maker.
A video creator.
More website builders.
Yeah, it's like a whole toolkit.
It's a lot of stuff.
But are these bonuses actually useful?
That's a good question.
Are they high quality?
Yeah.
Are you actually going to use them? Or is it just...
Or is it just stuff you could find for free online?
Yeah, like rebranded free software.
Exactly.
Okay, so they do offer a money-back guarantee.
They do 30 days.
30 days.
Money-back guarantee.
No questions asked.
No questions asked.
So that's good.
Right?
It's a good sign.
That they stand behind their product.
Yeah, but you always got to read the fine print.
Okay.
What are the terms and conditions?
Yeah.
What's a valid reason for a refund?
Right.
How easy is it to actually get your money back?
Are there hidden fees?
Are there hoops to jump through?
Yeah. Sometimes those money-back guarantees
Yeah.
are not as good as they sound.
Exactly.
So let's talk about some questions that people might have.
Okay, common questions.
Like first, do you need any experience to use this?
Right. They're saying anyone can do it.
Anyone with an internet connection.
Yeah. No technical skills required.
But is that realistic?
Well, I mean,
It might be.
easy to use,
Okay.
but it's still a business.
Right. You got to understand.
You got to understand marketing,
Marketing.
customer service,
Yeah. All that stuff.
finances,
It's not just about
food industry itself.
building a website.
Yeah. There's a lot more to it.
And then the other big question.
How long till you make money?
Yeah. They're saying the average member makes their first sale the same day they sign up.
That's a little hard to believe.
That sounds like a little too good to be true.
Any claim that promises instant profits,
Right.
you got to be skeptical.
Yeah. Building a business takes time.
It takes time. It takes effort.
And there's going to be bumps along the way.
You make mistakes.
You're going to learn.
You're going to learn.
So overall, what's the verdict?
Well,
Is this a legitimate opportunity or is it all hype?
I think food AI has some potential.
Okay.
The platform seems easy to use.
Yeah.
They do have some interesting features.
Like the white label stuff.
Yeah, the white label.
Yeah.
The data insights.
But there's a but.
There's always a but.
Okay.
You got to be careful.
Don't believe the hype. Don't get caught up in the excitement.
Do your research.
Read the fine print.
All right, so I think the message is clear.
Be cautious.
Be cautious.
Don't jump in blindly.
Don't expect to get rich quick.
The online food industry is tough.
Yeah, but it is a huge opportunity.
It is.
So if you're thinking about using food AI,
Yeah.
just make sure it's the right fit for you,
Your goals.
for your budget.
For your risk tolerance.
All right, well, that was our deep dive into food AI.
That was fun.
Yeah, we learned a lot.
We did.
Hopefully you did too.
Hopefully.
And if you're interested in other deep dives like this,
Yeah, we've got a lot of other topics.
we're always exploring new stuff.
Always.
So check out our other episodes.
And let us know what you think.
Yeah, thanks for listening.